Claude skills are essentially recipes that help you do repetitive tasks over and over again with Claude's help. They're multi-step processes that are just in one single file. I happen to share a lot of free skills, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install them. So when you open up Claude, you're going to want to click on the toolbox icon on the left side. That's your customize icon. And once you go here, you'll see at the top we have skills. Go ahead and click on skills. And then in the very top, we have this plus button. And once you select the plus, you will see the create skill option. Put your mouse over that and then click on upload a skill. Then all you have to do is click and drag to put this skill file that either I emailed you or someone else shared with you or you downloaded from a website online. You just drop it in here and it'll install the skill for you. So now you can see we installed the Famous Namesakes skill to our personal skill library. And when we click on it, we can see exactly what it does. We have a description of it here. In this case, this finds the 5 most famous people who have the same name as you, and it'll ask for your name. So now, if I go to a new chat and I want to use this skill, I don't even have to ask for it by name. I can just say something like, what are famous people, or who are the most famous people with my name? And we'll see in a second, it'll use the context of my conversation to figure out which skill to use. So it says, I'll use the Famous Namesakes skill for this. And the skill itself is going to follow the instruction set. So the recipe in this case is to ask the person for their name, or if it's saved in their Claude memory, then it already knows. So here it has my last name, Revzin. And it says here's a pretty rare surname, but it says let me focus on famous Bens. So it found Benjamin Franklin, Ben Affleck, Ben Stiller, Ben Kingsley, and Ben Shapiro. And that is how you install and use a Claude skill. I hope this video helped. And if you want the Famous Namesakes skill to use this in your example, you can download it for free. Just send me an email, ben@bencanhelp.com, and I'll send it over to you. Thanks for watching.